friends, this question asked in GATE 2016 in 2 marks. Let's see what it is saying and what it is asking from you. A sender uses the stop and wait protocol, ARQ protocol, for reliable transmission of frames. Okay, no problem. Frames are of size 1000 bytes. Frame size is how much? Frame size is how much? 1000 bytes. How much? 1000 bytes. Okay, no problem. And the transmission rate at the sender is 80 kbps, means 80 kilobits per second. Okay. Size of an acknowledgement is 100 bytes and the transmission rate at the receiver is 8 kbps. So in maximum question जो आपने देखी है उसमें आपने acknowledgement time and processing time सब कुछ negligible देखा था. Okay, इससे पहले questions में. But here the size of acknowledgement is 100 bytes and the transmission rate of that acknowledgement at the receiver is 8 kbps, means you are not ignoring here acknowledgement time. Okay, so here total time is what? Here total time in the remaining questions जिसमें हमारा acknowledgement और processing time negligible होता था, तो total time हमारा क्या होता था? Propagation time plus transmission time. But here we are considering the acknowledgement time. Okay, so total time is what? PT. You need to remember when the acknowledgement time is we are going to consider, then total time will become what? PT plus transmission time plus 2 into PT. This is what? Acknowledgement time, means when we will get the acknowledgement, then what? It will become RTT. That's why we need to consider 2 PT also. So this is total time. This is total time. Okay. So we need to read the question again. The one-way propagation delay is 100 milliseconds. Okay. Assuming no frame is lost, the sender throughput is what? As I told you, the throughput formula. Throughput equal to what? Data size upon what? Total time. Total time, and here total time is what? This. So we need to calculate what? We need to calculate the propagation time. So propagation time is what? How we can calculate the propagation time? How we can calculate the propagation time? So propagation time equal to what? Distance upon speed. Distance upon speed, and the propagation time is given what? 100 milliseconds. Given what? 100 milliseconds. So when 100 milliseconds, so you can consider like this. 100 milliseconds means 10 to the power minus 3. So this will come upon, okay, ये नीचे आ जाएगा हमारा. So it will become what? 10 to the power 3. Then how much you will get? 0.1 second. How much? 0.1 second. This is propagation time. And need to calculate what? Transmission time. Transmission time is equal to what? Packet size. Packet size is what? 1000 bytes. Means 1000 into 8 need to be converted into bits. And what is the bandwidth? Okay, 80 kbps. 80 into 10 to the power 3. This will cancel out this. And what? 8 upon 80, 0.1. And transmission time is also equal to what? 0.1. So data size equal to what? 1000. Data size equal to what? 1000 into 8. And total time equal to what? PT 0.1 plus TT 0.1 plus 2 PT 2 into 0.1. Okay, so what you will get? 8000 divided by what? 0.2 means 0.4. Okay, so what you will get? What you will get? So 4 2 how much? 8. So this is what? This is what? 4 times 0, 20,000 bits. What you are getting? 20,000 bits per second. 20,000 bits per second. But we need the answer into bytes per second. So we need to divide it by 8. So 8 2 ja 16. How much? 4 is there. So 8 5 ja 40. Okay. So how much this? 2500 bytes per second. So this is the final answer. Okay. Okay. So what is the final answer? What is the final answer? 2500 bytes per second. Okay. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.